Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi. I am working as a Odoo developer at InomERP. Today I am going to explain my module INOM Audit Trail. First of all, you have to install INOM Audit Trail. Now go to apps, click on apps, on in search bar, you can search your module. Now you can see Audit Trail, track changes, user activity log and field history. This module are visible on my screen. Then click on activate. Now my module is installed. You can see audit trail menu. Then click on audit trail. Now you can see audit trail overview, audit log, configurations menu are visible on my screen. INOM Audit Trail module. The INOM Audit Trail module is a security and monitoring module in Odoo that records every important activity performed by user inside the system. It helps companies track who changed data, who was changed, old value and new value, when the change happened, which browser device was used, which IP address performed the action. This module is mainly used for security monitoring, user activity tracking, data change history, compliance auditing, employee accountability, fraud detection. The module creates a complete audit history of records inside of Odoo. If a user changes customer email, price, invoice, amount, phone number, stock quantity, the module store old value, new value, username, data and time, browser, IP address. Main menu and their function. Overview menu, audit trail, audit trail. Now you can see on my screen audit trail overview, audit log, configuration menu are visible on my screen. Uh, Audit trail. This section give a summary of audit activities. You can monitor total logs, total rules, recent activity, user actions used for quick monitoring, system activity overview, audit statistic. Now then another audit log. This is the most important menu. It stores every track operation. But you can see here, now click on new. But you can see here column date, purpose when activity happened, user who perform action, object which model was affected, record name, object which model was affected, record name, IP, user IP address, browser, device browser details, operation, create, update, delete. Operation systems just like status, create, update, delete, read, create, new record created, update existing record, modify, delete record, delete, read record, open, view. Color green meaning create, yellow update, red delete. Now then next configuration menu. Now click on logging rules. Now click on new. Now, audit trail configuration purpose. This is where audit rules are created. Rule defines which model to track, which fields to track, which operation to log, which user groups to monitor. Now you can see login rule scheme. Name field. Name of the audit rule used for identification. Object, res.partner or contacts. Define which model will be tracked. Common models like just res.partner, product template, account.move, sale.order, purchase.order, stock.picking, res.user. Log creation tracks new record creations. Example, new contact creating, log update, tracks record modification. Example, email change, price updated. Log deletion tracks record deletions. Example, contact deleted. Log read access tracks record opening view. Examples, user opens contact form, important, usually disabled in production because it creates too many logs. Track field purpose used for field label tracking. If empty, the module tracks all fields. If we specify field added, only selected field are tracked. Email, phone, example email phone, then field email phone name, tracking yes, yes, name no. Now I am going to explain step 7, delete test, delete the contact. Expected result red, delete entry appears. Now click on contact, search your contact. My contact is John Latest. Now click on delete. Now you can see on audit trail, audit log. Now a new entry is visible on my screen. Date June 3, user Mitchell admin, object contact, record John Latest, IP 127.0.0.1, browser Chrome, Linux, operation delete. Now you can see 4 records are visible on my screen. Operation 1 record delete, 2 records update, 1 record create. Real business uses like HR department tracks employee changing salary, edit attendance, changing changes. Finance department tracks invoice, edits payment, changing tax modification. Inventory department tracks stock quantity, changing delivery, validations. Sales department track customer changing, quotation modification, sales order updates. Security benefits like detect unauthorized changing, monitor employee activity, prevent fraud, maintain accountability, full data history available, compliance ready, audit log. This is the full functionality of my module. The INOM Audit Trail module is complete activity monitoring and change tracking system for Odoo. It provides user activity tracking, field level auditing, old new value comparison, IP and browser monitoring, security logging, compliance support, full record history. It is highly useful for companies that require security, transparency, monitoring, data accountability, audit, compliance. Module functionality. Now click on overview. Now you can see active user, active today, yesterday, active rules, rules name, contact audit, object contact, operation, create, read, delete, update, track fields, email, phone, restricted all user, log for status active. This is the overview, overall functionality of my module. Thank you.